Very good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn about how to draw line segments, and if also line segment is given, how to measure it. Okay, these are the two important things that you should know. First of all, how to place the ruler, how to hold it along the line, okay, how to mark out the points. These are some important factors. Before that, I want to say you that how to make the eye contact with the particular position, particular point. It should be perpendicular to the point where you see, because if you look from the side or something, you can face error. Like if suppose you are going through 6.1, instead of reading 6.1, you can read like 6.2 or 6.3. so this kind of problems happen. In order to prevent these kind of problem, we are going to always look at the proper position, and that should be completely perpendicular to your eyesight. Now you see, I have to measure this line, that is PQ. For this I will place the ruler along this line. Now you see, in my scale there is a point 0 which is very clear. Now I have to place the scale in such a way that 0 should be matching with the point P, and the remaining, that is the side of this ruler, should go along the line PQ in this way. Now I have to see that where exactly this point Q is coming on the ruler. Let me tell you children, every scale you see, the most important thing is there are some divisions which you will see in the scale. What are the divisions? Like you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, some divisions you can see in the scale. Now the most important thing in this division is there are some small divisions also between these bigger divisions. Like for example, if I am going through 5 and 6, you can see there are some certain small divisions. See, we count as the 10th divisions between two bigger divisions, but actually it is not 10 divisions. See, the 10th division is the number, is the next number itself. So after 5, I will count, then it will like be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it will come to the 6 like this. See, in my scale 1, 2, 3, 4 is also very clearly given. But in your scale maybe it is not given, so it does not matter. If your scale is something like this, in this scale also you see it's not given. Here also the numbering is not given. So no need to panic in this case. So you just have to count, like so for example between 2 and 3, how many divisions are there? See, after 2 you count, this first small division is 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10th division fall, that is 3 itself. So in this way you are supposed to count. So when we place this ruler along the line PQ, we find that the Q position, that is matching with the 9th position after 5. So 9th position after 5 is what? 9th division after 5 is 5.9, because 10th division is 6 itself. So we will write here the line segment PQ is equal to what centimeter? It is 5.9 centimeter. Now similarly we can measure the next line segment, that is AB. Place the ruler in the same way. First you have to match point A, that should fall with be above 0. Now you see where B is falling. It is coming after 1 and 9th division after 1. So it will be again 1.9. So in this way you are supposed to measure the line segments. And now how to draw the line segments using a ruler. Okay, so we have here, first we will draw this 5 centimeter. Okay, how to draw? Just see. So you have to use a plain notebook for this, for geometry, as I told you earlier about it. So first of all, what you will do, place the ruler in this way. You have to place the ruler that should be parallel with the with this side of this copy notebook in this way. See, this is the edge of the notebook. Now your ruler should be parallel to this. Your ruler must come parallel to this in this way, this to this edge of the notebook. Okay, so once I have placed the scale parallel to the side of the notebook, now what I will do, I will first point above 0. That point is your A. Don't write A now, first you mark the point. So this is the first point above 0 which I have marked. The next point is 5, above 5, because we are drawing a line segment of 5 centimeter. So after marking 0 and 5, now we will draw the line. When you draw the line, the scale, with the other hand you should press the scale properly. Otherwise, if it will get moved, then the line may not be straight. Below the first point you have to write A. Below the second point you will write B. So here you will write AB. This is a line segment. This is equal to 5 centimeter. Or you can draw this line and below this line only, here also you can write 5 centimeter. No problem. Both ways are correct. Okay, thank you children. Do the remaining questions yourself.